Okay, one more for today, and this one's going to be short. All right. I know there's supposed to be 5 or 6 minute clips, but like I said, I know my kids are homeschooled, so I know the most that I can do to explain is probably more helpful. So I don't mind doing them a little bit longer. If they're too long, tell me. I will shorten them, no problem. But I just wanted to try to help because I know that this time can be strenuous, and I want to make sure that your kids are getting the best education. So anyways, okay. So at SAPS in the mornings, what we're doing when they have assembly, the kids come in here and we do our national anthem. And there's supposed to be the pledge, but I don't know the words for the pledge. So if someone can help me with that, that would be awesome. I would really appreciate it because I know before Baba Kapoor's, rest his soul, passed away, the kids said something different and I don't know what it is with Anthem. So if someone could, I don't know, send it with their kids or something, because it would be great for me to be able to let the kids say the pledge as well, but I don't know what is said. Okay. Let's see. That's something parents can help me with. Okay. So the thing that I wanted to talk about is our SAPS morning assembly program, and it starts from about 7:30 to 7:45. First, we do our Omani national anthem, and I do have an Omani flag in here because it's part of our around the world theme. So we all face the Omani flag, okay? And we do our national anthem according to the Arabic teacher sent me a link for the Omani national anthem that's used now, okay? And so we do that. Then we do the Omani Pledge, and that's something I don't know exactly what they say, so that's the thing I need help with. I know they do a lot of shouting, but I know it's something, but I didn't know what it was called before, okay? And then we have our SAPS Affirmation, and this is to get the kids positively thinking. You know, with Corona and COVID out there, there's a lot of negative thinking. Oh, we can't go outside, we can't do this, we can't do that. I'm bored, and there's just not anything that kids do that is really enjoyable, and it feels like life has stood still. And when life stands still for all of us, we kind of tend to start feeling a little bit negative. And we want our children to think positively, just like as adults, like myself, I wanted them to think positively. So in our class, I started daily affirmations, which are positive thoughts for the children. Like for today, our daily affirmation is, I am an amazing person, okay? Because I explained to the children that when you break something, you go, oh no, my mom will be angry with me because I'm stupid, or I'm not good, or I'm naughty. And this is negative. We don't want to think like that. Because if you say that in your head enough times, you will start to feel like you are this way. So you want to say that you're an amazing person. Nope, I'm not going to say that. Yes, I made a mistake. Nope, I'm an amazing person. I'm an amazing person. I'm an amazing person. I'm an amazing person. So then you will start to think positively about yourself instead of not so nice things about yourself, right? Okay, so Ms Marissa does daily affirmations. That's what that means, a daily affirmation or a positive affirmation. Affirmation is a big word for letting yourself remember you're special, okay? SAPS has a SAPS affirmation, which is kind of like the school motto, okay? But it's something that we're going to say school-wide, and it's going to be something that we say in our assemblies, okay? And Miss Natasha is going to ask about if you've learned it. So the first part of this positive SAPS affirmation is, I am smart. I am smart. I am smart. I am smart. You know what smart means, right? Good. Okay. The second part is I am capable. Now, many of you came to me, I can't do this, Miss. It's too hard. No, you can. You can do anything you put your mind to do. As long as it's not something bad, you don't want to do something bad. But as long as you think you can do it, that means you're capable. Oh, so this is small letters, these are the big letters. They're the same words, just this one's big letters and this is small letters. So do you think you can do it? Oh, okay, I understand now. See, you are capable. So you're smart and you're capable. You can do anything you put your mind to. Okay? So the first part is I'm smart. Second part is I'm capable. I can do anything, right? As long as it's a good thing. Try not to make mistakes. Okay? We are going to make mistakes because this is how you learn in life. Okay? I'm smart, I'm capable, I am better every day. So maybe it's, I told the kids, because they're getting to know me very well, the first day I was probably thinking, oh, Ms Marissa, she is so mean. Oh, she's just not nice, teacher. I don't like her. Then the next day, yeah, Ms Marissa's not so bad. I think I can handle her. She's okay. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, it's okay. Third day, today Ms Marissa smiled. She's nice. I like her. She's cool. Today, Ms Marissa, can I draw you a picture? Yeah, draw me a picture. I'll hang it up. So things get better every day, okay? I am better every day. Every day is a new beginning. So even if you had a rough day before, when you wake up in the morning, now you have a better day, okay? So I'm smart, I am capable, and I am better every day. The last part says, the leader in me, the leader. You know how you want to be the leader in the line? Okay, the leader. And the leader in me will one day lead the way. That means that maybe one day you will be like a lawyer, or maybe you'll be in charge of this school, or maybe you'll be a teacher, or maybe you'll take Miss Natasha's place, or maybe you'll own the school, or maybe you'll be working for Sultan Haytham. Okay, so the leader in me, because all of us are leaders in something, we're not all the same. Maybe you're a leader because you're an amazing artist. Or maybe you're a leader because you're do well in math. Or maybe your English is superb. So you will be a leader, what you are the best at. But you have to look for yourself, look for inside. I don't mean inside your shirt. No, I mean inside your heart and inside your mind. What are you best at? Because the leader inside your mind and inside your heart will someday make something, inshallah, great about you. Okay, so the leader in me will one day lead the way. So SAPS affirmation is 4 parts. One is, I am smart, I am capable, I am better every day, and the leader in me will one day lead the way. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing every morning assembly. The national anthem, the national pledge, which I need help with, okay? The SAPS affirmation. All right, and then I have to take attendance. So once I get through that, if you wander in a little bit late, you have to tell me, Ms. Marissa, I'm late. Because sometimes I'm really excited about teaching and I kind of forget. Okay, all right. Oh, I do have a announcement that I don't want to forget. Tomorrow I'm sending home your books with you. If you're already home, it's okay. I understand you have your books. But I put all of your names on them. Some of you didn't write all your names in your books, and it's okay. I did it for you. Okay? So everybody will get their English books and workbooks. Your names are on the back. This is Bara. Okay? Everybody will get their science books, their math books, and I think their ICT book. I have your ICT book, but since you have ICT tomorrow, you'll have to ask Miss Fatima, because I don't know if she's going to send them home with you right away. Okay? You can ask her in Class Dojo though, because I don't know if she's going to do that or not. So don't forget to take them home, because it would be nice if you can cover them. You know, put them in a slippery, like sticky paper, so that it keeps them nice for the whole year. Okay? If you can't, it's okay too. They're fine the way they are, but just it gives them that extra protection. And I think that's it. Did I talk about? I talked about that. I talked about that. It's been a really long day. I'm still here at school. It's I need to go home. My kids are probably hungry. It's already 6:10. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Have fun with mom and dad, and have a good night's rest and sweet dreams. And I will see you tomorrow, okay? All right. Good night. Bye.